Hello students, this is third question of exercise 12a. First step is draw a line AB and mark a point X that does not lie on the line AB. Okay, so just you have to draw a line AB. Just like you have to draw line AB. After that, mark a point P on the line AB. So you have to mark a point P on line AB. This is same as first question. Next step third, join X and P using a ruler. Here you have taken point X that is not on line AB, that was taken here. Okay, so match X and P. Join X and P using a ruler. So you have joined this. Okay, after that step fourth, with the help of a compass draw an arc with P. You have to draw an arc from P just like this. Okay, P as a center and any radius cutting the line AB at N and the line segment XP at M. When we are drawing this arc, it will be cutted AB line on N point. This is N point. Okay, this is N point and this is M point. So two times it will be cutted. With same arc you have to taken, and from X point you have to make a arc just like C and D. Okay, and this line will cutted, this arc will cutted on O point. Okay, next step fifth, with X as a center and with the same radius draw an arc CD cutting XP at O. Same I have told to you, OP. Next step 6, keeping the pointed tip of the compass at M, adjust its width such that the opening of the compass is at N. Okay, so you have take the distance from M to N. Okay, this distance will be taken. With same distance you have to cut from O to K. Okay, now here you have to get a point K. With this radius and O as a center, draw an arc cutting the arc CD at K. Now next step 8, join K and X to get the required parallel line PQ. Now K and X will be joined. Okay, then you will get a PQ line parallel to AB. Okay, next step 9, take 2 points Y and Z on PQ line. You have to take 2 points Y and Z. So we have taken Y point and Z point on PQ line. After that, take a point T on AB line. Now next point you have to take T on AB line. So we have taken T point on AB. Now next, join TY and TZ. Now you have to join TY and TZ point. Now what you are looking, this is the shape of triangle you have got. Okay, so hence we can say we get a triangle TYZ. Okay, this is the solution of your question.